Hi guys, it's Ganesh Chaturthi today. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. On this occasion, I have wore sari. So I'll show you my OOTD to you.
Over here, we are welcoming our Bappa at our home. My mom is doing puja of Bappa and my brother so that he can bring home Bappa. I know उकडीचे मोदक is an emotion, but बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड चल रहा था ओरियो मोदक का, so decided why not I should also try ओरियो मोदक at home. So this is the way, and just don't judge me how messy I am, but होता है कभी ना कभी खाना बनाते वक्त messy messy. That it won't be turn out what I thought, but luckily it was very good, delicious in taste. In Maharashtra, at day 4 or 5, we welcome Gavri at our home. So I'm doing that only just I know sometimes of course Marathi pronunciation, so be tolerant over here. My Nashi and our neighbor aunties are guiding me and my mom as it's a second year of welcoming Gavri at our home.
गौरी कशाच्या पावलात आल्या ओके 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 मला वाटलं गौरी कशाच्या पावलात आल्या जनधान्यांच्या पावलात आल्या गौरी कशाच्या पावलांनी आल्या एक मिनिट गौरी कशाच्या पावलात आल्या हिऱ्याच्या पावलांनी आल्या दीदीकडे बघ संपत्ती आरोग्य गौरी कशाच्या पावलात आल्या आरोग्य धन संपदेच्या पावलांनी आल्या गौरी कशाच्या पावलात आल्या आरोग्य महत्वाचं आहे हो सोन्या चांदीच्या पावलांनी आल्या गौरी कशाच्या पावलात आल्या फुलांच्या पावलांनी आल्या गौरी कशाच्या पावलांनी
So this is our Gauri and Ganpati's decoration. Me and my mom are working on it since past 1.5 months or more than that. So do tell me in comments, do you like it or not? And please do share, tell me what should we do for next year. We'll definitely try it. So this is my OTD for Gauri Pujan. This would be our year's last Aarti as we are doing this at for Bappa.